guilty of not drinking enough water, binge watching too many shows that put a lot of strain on my eyes, and a completely haywire sleep schedule. Since I know that I'm not alone in this, I've come to share all my secrets with you. I know that we've heard about cucumber as a remedy for dark circles multiple times, and for all the right reasons. The high water content helps in hydrating the dry under-eye skin, and the cool temperature helps decrease the blood flow to the area, which is what makes it look dark in the first place. What I do is, I place them over my eyes and then sit in a reclining position and then let the cucumber's natural acids soak into my skin. The boost of hydration turns my puffy, tired eyes into looking fresh and hydrated. I am a cucumber lover, but also an absolute caffeine addict, and I'll use this magic ingredient whenever possible. I mix 2 tablespoons of cucumber juice with 2 tablespoons of finely ground coffee and 2 tablespoons of yogurt about twice a week, and it's my most favorite and effective concoction.
I'm one of those few who, even after getting a good 12 hours of sleep, wakes up with horrid, deep, dark, sunken eyes. And to make matters worse, I have extremely sensitive skin in my under-eye area, so I have to think twice before using any product. This is exactly why I turned to green tea. It is an antibacterial and antifungal, so it's definitely going to fight off any unwanted infections. The caffeine present in green tea helps shrinking the blood vessels under my skin, and this decreases the darkness by a mile. Now comes the best part. All I need to do to reap its benefits is steep a green tea bag for 3 to 4 minutes, refrigerate it for another 20, and then lay it over my eyes. It's that easy. I even go an extra mile twice a week and mix green tea with 1 tablespoon of honey and yogurt each. I let it sit for about 15 minutes and then rinse it off. This extremely antioxidant rich under-eye mask visibly brightens and soothes my eyes.
Dark circles and me go way back. Even though my makeup skills allow me to perfectly conceal them, who doesn't want naturally bright under eyes? So to tackle both these problems, I turned to potatoes. This highly affordable and easily available ingredient has the famous skin brightening vitamin C as well as vitamin K, which helps in blood circulation, getting rid of the purple bruising in the under-eye area. The starch present helps in tightening my thin under-eye skin, making it look firmer and brighter. So all that I do is squeeze the juice out of 1 potato and refrigerate it for about 20 minutes. I then soak up this juice into a cotton pad and leave it on for a good 20 to 30 minutes so that the nourishing vitamins and enzymes can do its job. Since there's absolutely no drawback to this and it's so easy to make, I end up doing this diligently every day and I've seen a huge difference. On days when I need a quick fix for my puffy eyes, I just take 2 slices of a chilled potato and use it to give myself a cold compression.
So now you know choosing the right ingredients and using them diligently can make a world of a difference, no matter how bad or stubborn your skin concern may be. Let us know in the comments below which of these you'll be using, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.